First of all, my name is Edward van der Kolk. Welcome to the OGSM software. In this video, we show you how to get started with the tool. After the sign-up process is completed, you are directed to the home page of your OGSM. As with any OGSM, it is easiest to start with entering your objective in the top blue bar by simply clicking on it. An OGSM objective contains high-level vision of what you want to achieve, followed by how you intend to get there. Next, you paste what and how from your objective into the goals area and turn them into something you can measure. This may seem trivial at this point, but you'll benefit from this distinction later. Now you need to work as a team to decide the best strategies to deliver your goals. Next, you identify how you will measure the effect of your strategy and actions. These two are split by what and how. Finally, the actions. What is your team going to do to deliver the change? Smaller actionable steps increase the likelihood of success. In our next video, we will talk about how the software helps you stay in control of your strategy execution. Want help with your OGSM? Subscribe to our next online training or join us on LinkedIn.